Good morning, sunshine. This presentation is documentation of my life during the month of June 2026 using every single one of my cameras, starting with the old 2015 Sony RX100 5.
There's its body and where it's attached.
The old Sony is riddled with problems. Dust bunnies inside the lens, a noisy focus gear,
And it retracting.
a cracked screen that won't let me review my images. But I still love it, and I use it for all my science videos and pictures. This is a hydra that I found in some of the pond water I collected at Full Bloom Nursery before they closed. Just for the summer, you know. I make picture charts for all the staff and their children and grandchildren, you know. Here's a screenshot of what I call the lounge list.
Pollen from the bird's eye Gilia tricolor flower that came up in Pride Rock Gardens along with poppies this year.
So, this camera's memory card is full of scientific data, like various pollen grains and what they look like. I've been studying pollen since COVID. Here's an example of what that file folder looks like.
Come here and look at my thrips.
Both my kitties would love to take a look-see under the microscope and see what I'm looking at.
Bird's eye Gilead.
Okay, so enough microscopy with the old Sony. However, there's a water bear, a rotifer, and a euploites. At the beginning of June, I didn't have my new Sony. It was in the shop getting repaired again. And so all these pictures of my flowers and my critters were taken with the old Sony. Here's that bird's eye Helia that was growing in my garden, along with the poppies from a wildflower mix. This zinnia has been blooming in the crack at the top of the driveway. This is a study of the sediment we found in the bottom of the swimming pool, scooped up by Miss Vicky, our pool cleaner. No idea. The last thing I did this month with the old Sony was to take pictures of all my gladiolas so I can reproduce them in picture pages, you know. Oh, I harvested seeds from the flax flower.